ఒక్క నిమిషం అక్బరుద్దీన్ ఓవైసీ గారు
గజ్వేల్ వలయ రహదారి
ఒక్క నిమిషం.
Madam Deputy Speaker, I would like to come on record and say that Honorable Leader of Opposition is misleading the House. The reason is that about adjournment motion, it is not in this session. When the Telangana State Legislative Assembly's first session was held, that time itself, by all political parties, it was decided the adjournment motion would be taken up after the question hour.
Yes.
They cannot keep on changing their stand in every session. All the political parties unanimously took a decision that we want the question hour, and at that time Congress also agreed. Did they protest on this adjournment motion to be taken up at the first thing whenever the House commences in the last session? No, madam, they never protested on in the last session also. This session they want to change a stand. It is their confusion. He is misleading, he is saying wrong. So I want to correct the records, and I want you also to correct the records, madam. Okay, it is not that we have taken this decision in this session. When the first session of Telangana State was there, that time it was decided. Some few rules and regulations were discussed and decided in that. This was also there.
Yes.
Thank you.